Hare Krishna, my husband does not love me the way he used to love me earlier. This is the story of every third consultation that I get from a wife. You have to understand this based on Vedic Jyotish. You see, when you are not married and when you are in a relationship, he behaves like a very beautiful, romantic lover and someone who knows what you want. And he's only focused on you, your needs, and the pleasure. All these qualities are the qualities of Shukracharya, Venus. Once you get married, the same relationship is handed over to Jupiter. So Shukracharya comes and he says, look, now you're married, he's your husband and he's your Jupiter. Now you have to understand what are the qualities of a Jupiter. Jupiter is dharma. Jupiter is like a father, like a guru, like a teacher. He cannot be Venus. He cannot be Shukra. And this is natural that the love, the romance, the spark will change into dharma, spirituality, duties, responsibility, accountability. So if you can accept this transformation of Venus into Jupiter after marriage, your marriage will be a beautiful relationship with apt expectations. But if you have those expectations of Shukracharya, you will have 40 years of pain, 50 years of pain in the marriage. So trust and understand your spouse. He was Venus, now he is Jupiter. And if you know who is Jupiter, you will never complain your husband. I'll come up with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna.